Chiliz value equivalent to $0.285 a coin. The present exchange cost range $1.12 to $13.301. The earlier day close $1.218. The change was plus 67 plus 550%. Opposite rate ICE to CHZ. Dollar to Chiliz estimate for August 2024. Before all else cost at 8,333 coins. Excessive cost 991, while low 7,692. The arrived at the midpoint of cost 8,362. The ICE to CHZ figure toward the month's end 8,333. Change for August 0%. ICE to CHZ expectation for September 2024. Before all else cost at 8,333 coins. Excessive cost 8,333, while low 6,667. The arrived at the midpoint of cost 7,619. The US to CHZ conjecture toward the month's end 7,143. Change for September 14.3%. Dollar to Chiliz conjecture for October 2024. At the outset cost at 7,143 coins. Excessive cost 7,143, while low 5,882. The arrived at the midpoint of cost 6,605. The US to CHZ conjecture toward the month's end 6,250. Change for October 12.5%. US to CHZ expectation for November 2024. Initially cost at 6,250 coins. Excessive cost 6,250, while low 5,000. The arrived at the midpoint of cost 5,691. The US to CHZ figure toward the month's end 5,263. Change for November 15.8%. Dollar to Chiliz figure for December 2024. Initially cost at 5,263 coins. Exorbitant cost 5,263, while low 4,545. They found the middle value of cost 4,958. The US to CHZ estimate toward the month's end 4,762. Change for December 9.5%. US to CHZ expectation for January 2025. First and foremost cost at 4,762 coins. Exorbitant cost 4,762, while low 4,000. They found the middle value of cost 4,468. The US to CHZ estimate toward the month's end 4,3848. Change for January 8.7%. Dollar to Chiliz gauge for February 2025. To start with cost at 4,348 coins. Exorbitant cost 4,5045, while low 3,846. They found the middle value of cost 4,227. The US to CHZ gauge toward the month's end 4,167. Change for February 4.2%. US to CHZ expectation for Walk 2025. To start with cost at 4,167 coins. Excessive cost 4,348, while low 3,704. The arrived at the midpoint of cost 4,055. The US to CHZ conjecture toward the month's end 4,000. Change for spring 4%. Dollar to Chiliz conjecture for April 2025. At the outset cost at 4,000 coins. Excessive cost 4,167, while low 3,571. The arrived at the midpoint of cost 3,896. The US to CHZ conjecture toward the month's end 3,846. Change for April 3.9%. US to CHZ expectation for May 2025. At the outset cost at 3,846 coins. Excessive cost 4,000, while low 3,448. The arrived at the midpoint of cost 3,750. The US to CHZ conjecture toward the month's end 3,704. Change for May 3.7%. Dollar to Chiliz conjecture for June 2025. First and foremost cost at 3,704 coins. Exorbitant cost 3,846, while low 3,333. They found the middle value of cost 3,614. The US to CHZ estimate toward the month's end 3,571. Change for June 3.6%. US to CHZ expectation for July 2025. First and foremost cost at 3,571 coins. Exorbitant cost 3,704, while low 3,226. They found the middle value of cost 3,487. The US to CHZ estimate toward the month's end 3,4048. Change for July 3.4%. Dollar to Chiliz figure for August 2025. Before all else cost at 3,448 coins. Excessive cost 3,571, while low 3,125. The arrived at the midpoint of cost 3,369. West to CHZ figure toward the month's end 3,833. Change for August 3.3%. As to CHZ expectation for September 2025. At the outset, cost at 3.3 to 33 coins. Excessive cost 3.5 and 71, while low 3.125. The arrived at the midpoint of cost 3.3 to 41. The US to CHZ conjecture toward the month's end 3.3 33. Change for September 0%. As to CHZ expectation for November 2025. Initially cost at 2.857 coins. Excessive cost 3.704, while low 2.857. The arrived at the midpoint of cost 3.2 at 17. The US to CHZ figure toward the month's end 3.4 change for November 27%. Dollar to Chilliz figure for December 2025. First and foremost cost at 3.4 coins. Exorbitant cost 4.5045, while low 3.448. The found the middle value of cost 3.902. The US to CHZ estimate toward the month's end 4.167, change for December 29%. US to CHZ expectation for January 2026. First and foremost cost at 4.167 coins. Exorbitant cost 4.762, while low 4,000. The found the middle value of cost 4.319. The US to CHZ gauge toward the month's end 4.348, change for January 4.3%. Dollar to Chiliz gauge for February 2026. To start with, cost at 4.348 coins. Exorbitant cost 4.348, while low 3.704. The found the middle value of cost 4.100. The US to CHZ gauge toward the month's end 4,000, change for February 8%. US to CHZ expectation for Walk 2026. At the outset, cost at 4,000 coins. Excessive cost 4,000, while low 3.226. The arrived at the midpoint of cost 3.669. The US to CHZ conjecture toward the month's end 3.448, change for spring 13.8%. Dollar to Chiliz conjecture for April 2026. First and foremost cost at 3.448 coins. Exorbitant cost 3.448, while low 2.778. The found the middle value of cost 3.154. The US to CHZ estimate toward the month's end 2.841, change for April 14.7%. US to CHZ expectation for May 2026. Initially cost at 2.941 coins. Excessive cost 3.704, while low 2.941. The arrived at the midpoint of cost 3.259. The US to CHZ figure toward the month's end 3.448, change for May 17.2%. Dollar to Chiliz conjecture for June 2026. At the outset, cost at 3.448 coins. Excessive cost